Hey collaborators, Logan here with this week's episode on COVID-19 quarantine activities for kids and adults. Now, normally I'd use this time to educate you or give a how-to on digital marketing, but these are exceptional times that we live in. Here in Minnesota, we've been ordered to stay at home except for essentials to help stop the spread of COVID-19, the coronavirus. While all of us at Cohlab have had the advantage of working at home for quite a while, many haven't until this moment or still don't. That's why we put together a big list of stay-at-home activities for kids and adults, along with mental health resources, music, games, and more. For the complete list and all the links, head to our blog linked in the description below at cohlab.com/blog/covid-19-quarantine-activities-kids-adults.html. First up, self-care and health. So be sure to take care of yourself mentally. Have you been able to attend support groups you need? We have links to Alcoholics Anonymous, Narcotics Anonymous, and other groups who meet virtually. You can choose to use video or just audio from your computer or phone when meeting. It may not be perfect, but it can help you get through. Do you just need some mental space? Well, take some time and do some yoga. While you can't attend a physical class, there are many virtual classes out there like Yoga with Adrienne. She offers meditation as well, all on YouTube. And don't forget to stay in touch with family. Myself, I've been calling my parents once a week and then also calling friends or other relatives every other night. Talking helps. Keep up your physical movement. If you're not used to staying in one spot all day, be sure to get out for a run while keeping your distance from people. If you'd rather work out inside, check with your local gym to see if they're offering online classes to participate in. My local boxing gym has been great about this. Otherwise, there are plenty of workouts to try on YouTube like derby or pop sugar. Finally, you'll probably be cooking more than usual now that you're home, and it can be easy to get bored by your own cooking. Try something new. We found a series of dinners you can make in 20 minutes along with a number of new and exciting after-dinner drinks to try. Next up is activities and learning opportunities for the kids. So if you have kids being homeschooled, that is. I have 3 of my own, but only 1 is in preschool. The other 2 are too little, so maybe you're in the same boat I am or you don't have any kids. Just skip to the next part. But man, there are a lot of free learning opportunities out there right now. Duolingo is a free language learning app available for kids. Khan Academy has a separate site just for kids. They've been teaching adults and college and high school kids online since 2005 for free. Scholastic and PBS are sending out activities and crafts to their mailing lists and on their website to do with kids. Various kids authors are offering story time, drawing time, and more on their Facebook Live or YouTube Live accounts. And this is cool. You can tour some of the places you may never visited in the first place due to expense or distance, like the Boston Children's Museum, San Diego Zoo, Yellowstone National Park, and even Mars. And keep your kids active with this awesome Cosmic Kids Yoga, or get the really little ones dancing with the Learning Station, both on YouTube. Now it's time for you to do some learning. If you're furloughed or laid off, this is a great time to grow your mind and experience things that you've never seen or heard before. Let's start with reading. The Cambridge University Press in the UK has 700 textbooks that they published online that are available through May. Now let's go exploring. The U.S. National Park Service has partnered with Google to let you explore the parks for free. Or you can head to Paris and tour the Louvre, or head to China and visit the Great Wall. Now listen up, some of the best music groups in the world are offering free performances. The New York Met Opera is live streaming every night at 6:30 p.m. Central Time, and it's available for replay for 20 hours. Plus, the Seattle Symphony is broadcasting via Facebook and YouTube. So check those listings. Now for online classes, the Ivy League universities are offering 496 free online classes combined. And Khan Academy, which I mentioned earlier, still offers their free classes, so check that out. But if you want to learn how to code or do web development, head to freecodecamp.org or the Odin Project, or automate the boring stuff with Python. Now finally, after all that hard work, it's playtime. We have a Girls' Night playlist in Spotify, a COVID-19 quarantine YouTube playlist, free online games like chess, Battleship, or various old online games you can grab and play with friends. And don't forget to whip out your old board games or call up your local game shop and order a board game for pickup. Well, thanks for watching. Next week, we'll be back with how-tos and tips for digital marketing. I promise. If you're on YouTube, check out our other Marketing Monday videos on the left. If you're watching this on Facebook or elsewhere, follow the link in the description to our YouTube channel to help you learn how to develop your website and handle digital marketing for your company.